Valentino Rossi, row 3, he will not be happy with himself. Takanakagami. No, the Michelin Australian Motorcycle Grand Prix is underway. 27 laps, 74, unreal. Yes,
Milo Petrucci and Beckett's the high drive. Down he went, what a fraction of Cathy. Clapton didn't believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through. Oh, it's down. Is that the Vizioso? I think it is. Oh, fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went. What a fraction of Ducatis. Clapton didn't believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Vizioso now. I hope he's okay. He's on the stretcher. Well, I'd ponder Yamaha Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head on. Cattisti are going to be going wild in about 2 minutes' time if it's Petrucci or the Vizioso that prevails. This is shaping up to be a mammoth final lap in Mugello. We're on board with Marquez. Dobby is trying to shape this one up for a move into turn 1 on the final lap. But Marquez has got some speed in that final corner and he doesn't want to be forgotten about here either. We begin the final lap of the Italian Grand Prix and they are going to be...
Vizioso. Oh, he's down. Well, talk about the commentator's curse. Vizioso, that dig into the time. Earlier crash now, whether it's turn 5 again.
Yeah, it's turn 5 when he had his second crash.
4 crashes in...
Now into Zavelli. Petrucci half.
There you go.
The Abbey curve, isn't it?
Yeah.
And 10, so...
3 abreast by the looks of things going into turn 1. Marquez gets the 2 bike slipstream on the battery Honda. Marquez hits the front here in Mugello. Has he timed this to absolute perfection? Asking major question. The 2 Ducatis. Oh, all 3 of them almost have contact. The checkered flag is out here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is! Petrucci's dream is realised. He is a MotoGP winner at last, and he will tear the roof off Mugello. What a race! What a day!
Time that they'd had badly damaged from an earlier crash.
MotoGP winner at last, and he will tear the roof off Mugello. What a race! What a day! What a moment for Danilo Petrucci and the factory Ducati team.